Hi, I'm Richard Benson. I'm a remedial massage therapist and I'm working for 14 years at Bundaberg Clinic based in the state of Queensland, Australia. I will have a short presentation of fibromyalgia disorders, chronic fatigue, and the interaction with the natural therapies or medical field, and I will say in a few words about each of them. Related to medical help, be very aware of this, that because it's no medical cure, it's no medical treatment, it's all for the sake of money. You pay for something you'll never get. Realize the fact that many doctors, especially among the general practitioners, they have no idea about fibromyalgia. That's one of the reasons they tell their patients that it's just in the patient's head, which is not true. It's simply because they have no knowledge about it. They have no idea about it. Doctors working in and with skin disorders and arthritis, they know about these disorders. They know that does exist fibromyalgia disorders. What actually they know is just only symptoms, but that's all they know. Doctors never touches you. Doctors, they just take into account the examination, very little touch, and they take into account the results from x-rays and blood tests. Consequently, they can't help more than this. They're encouraging you so to get you painkillers or antidepressants. Well, fibromyalgia is caused by small particles, something doctors should know. Particles of collagen, which they're in a very large numbers, can be thousands, and they actually spread, especially on females, almost all over the body, on males just mainly on the upper body. And these particles, that small collagens, they're actually located between muscle tissue and fascia. They're very sensitive on touch, and you don't know that until you're touching yourself. You see, the kind of burning sensation is given to you. The secret of fibromyalgia disorders is that these fibrocities, how they actually call it, these small particles, they won't let the individual sleep properly. Many people suffering from this or not knowing suffering from these disorders, they wake up several times in pain during the night, or they're sleeping straight through the night, but in the morning, either way, one way or the other, they wake up still unrefreshed, very exhausted, just the way went to bed, and that on daily basis, and this gets accumulated. Now, get to the point when energy level drops because of the exhaustion. It's not very much of a memory and concentration. It's quite unpleasant stomach ache, on and off with diarrhea or constipation, and certainly achy body, which many of them wake up several times during the night for this reason. As this gets accumulated, many people, they get in a chronic state, and they consequently, they, in a high majority, they sleeping several hours. They get up half an hour, stand up, and back lay down. Doesn't matter bed or elsewhere because they can't stand. They have no energy to stand up. Suddenly, these become very depressive. People get very depressed about it. They feel that kind of hopelessness and uselessness, which is actually very unpleasant. Doesn't mean you're a sick person. You're not. You're just unwell. Your energy level is decreased. That's the secret. It's decreased because of fibrocities, because it doesn't let you sleep. Once these fibrocities actually burned, and they burned manually, and they burned, so on each hour, 1 hour each treatment. Men in about 3 treatments in as many weeks. Females takes between 4 and 9 treatments in as many weeks. They are not all actually affected the same. They are heavily, more or less heavily affected by these fibrocities. The secret is with this fibromyalgia, the more you're decreasing and you get rid of a burning, which these fibrosities gets eliminated not through the body waste. The more you're decreasing these fibrosities, the more your energy level go up, and up to the point when actually the fibrosities gets eliminated and you're getting back to normal. You have a high energy level, normal as you used to be like everybody else. Your memory is normal, your concentration is normal, normal diarrhea, normal concentration, normal during the night, and sleeps right through. So you're just a happy person like everybody else. We can help you here in the clinic. We don't ask for money. It's not asking anything. I never did. I don't ask anything in advance. Just come here and I help you treating your disease. An hour each treatment, in up to 8 weeks females, and up to 3 treatments for men. And I give full guarantee that actually there's energy you're going to achieve exactly what you expect less. And this, I know it's hard to believe, but it's the only truth. This cannot be treated otherwise, just manually. Where you can call you, do yourself a favor. If you can come to this clinic, look in our website, www.benmedical, B-E-N, medical, one word, benmedical.com.au. Repeat, www.benmedical.com.au, or call for and get all details from there, our contact details, or call the number 617-4151-2351. Well, it's time to know the truth. It's time to get treated. It's very cheap. It's just $60 per treatment. You pay after the treatment, nothing in advance at all, just like you're going for a massage. And you will be just absolutely amazed the progress you're going to make it. So get in touch with me. I'm going to come to your country. Get in touch with your association, with Natural Therapist Association. Get your management, from this association to get in touch with me. I will come to train them, to train professionals, remedial therapists. It's a special technique. It's not any massage can help. Massage doesn't do any good. And I will come in your country to help your professionals. And consequently, so to help you and millions like you get rid of these disorders. Well, I look forward to hear from you. Get in touch with me, you or your professional from your National Massage Therapist Association, and we'll solve this problem. Help yourself and help others. Do something about it. Okay, I'll be there to help anytime. Just call me. Let's be in touch. Okay? Okay, I look forward to hear from you. Bye for now.